Hi, today I've heard of new Lenovo Tab M7 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click manage accounts on this device, tap to our account and click here remove. After that, confirm your action by tap to remove button. So that's it. In Google account settings we successfully log out from the Gmail account. So let's go back to the application. Let's just refresh it and we can see that we just successfully log out also from the Gmail app. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.